Hi guys, Mr. Dean here. I wanted to talk to you about what we're going to be studying today, what we're going to be exploring today. Now, last class, we looked at China, and it was kind of just a quick introduction to China, especially focusing on some of their innovations and some of their amazing things, like that canal or the Great Wall. I don't know, have you heard of this Great Wall? Apparently, it's pretty great. Anyways, today we're going to be looking at China, and it's very much a similar way that we looked at all of the civilizations we've studied this year, and that's by looking at the organization. Okay, we've looked at this triangle all year, and we're going to be doing that with China. We're going to see how they organize themselves as a society in terms of their government, especially the person who's at top. Who is this person in China? What do they call this person? Who are these people in the middle? You know these people down here, though. Every society has these people down at the bottom. So we're going to be looking at the society and see how China's organized, especially this person at the top. How do they choose that person? Is it the same way they did it in Europe or in Mesoamerica or even in Africa? The next thing we're going to study is a concept, a weird concept. It's called the mandate of heaven. Okay, this is pretty important. It's a really interesting system, and I want you to think about who gets the advantage in society using this system, the mandate of heaven. Okay, so I want you to take a look at that, and then I want you to think in your mind, compare China versus especially Europe and this concept of mandate of heaven. Europe didn't have this. They had something similar to this. Heaven was involved somewhere in the organization of Europe, but heaven plays a different role in China, and I want you to try and figure it out. And then I want you to think about where, if you were a peasant, if you were down here at the bottom, where would you rather live? Would you rather be a peasant in China or a peasant in feudal Europe? And then you have to tell me why you think that, okay? All right, so get to work, and if you have any questions, you let us know, okay? Take care.